Today we're going to make a craft with my mom, and we're going to make fruit bookmarks. These are the things we need: a glue stick, scissors, pencil, black marker, a ruler, googly eyes, and some different color paper that the colors are pink, white, green, red, and light green. My mom and me are going to make it together. Let's get started. We're going to trace a shape of a strawberry. And then we're gonna cut it out. Now we're going to stick the leaf and the stem to the strawberry. Now we're going to stick some googly eyes to the strawberry. And now we're going to add some seeds to the strawberry. And I'll help my mom. Alright, it's done. So, this is a cute strawberry bookmark. And then on the back, it looks like this. Alright, now we're gonna do dragon fruit. Alright, now we're gonna put some dots. Dot, 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 done. This is our dragon fruit. Let's move on to the lime. Here's the final results. And these are our bookmarks. The dragon fruit, the lime, and the strawberry. Let's put them in this book. But first you have to, let's move these bookmarks to the side. So let's put the strawberry one right here. And then the dragon fruit one right here. And then this one over here. There. There, now we have our bookmarks. The easiest one to see is this is the strawberry one because it has the stem, and the bookmarks leave a little space so you can remember. Just put your thumb inside and then flip. You're almost there, like that. And then, see? Now let's take them out. and flip them over. Bye guys! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!